Yiwu Renmei E-Business Company Limited is a leading supplier and professional exporter. We have more than 200 cooperate factory committed to the hijab, scarf, beach towel, custom printing, such as trade and technology development factory. We have our own fashion designer, their original designs, concepts, and superb skills sufficient to meet the demand of customers. Most our designs have stocks, can be low MOQ and fast shipping. The OEM ODM service, the lower MOQ and the higher quality control show our factory's strengths and won praise from many customers. Our production's delivery time is very fast because we always ship the products by international express, such as FedEx, UPS, and DHL, in order to let our customers get the products in a short time. In addition, we have an excellent sales team and a group of professional sewing workers who make our company develop better and better. We attach great importance to after-sales service, which make our customers more and more satisfied with our products. We have our own professional designers with unique design thoughts, and they are able to make the designs according to customers' demands. Usually, our packing is 1-piece polybag, 10 pieces big polybag. Also can do the packing according your request. Our market is all over the Europe, American, Australia, the Middle East, South Asia. We are sincerely hope you will be interested in our factory and products. Contact us and create a long-term cooperation.